When a loved one passes away, handling legal and estate matters can feel overwhelming. If you're searching for their lawyer, you're likely trying to uncover their final wishes and ensure their property is distributed as intended. Let's walk through the steps to help you find the deceased person's lawyer and access important legal documents like their will. Step 1. Start your search in the deceased's personal spaces. Check their home and workplace for documents, business cards, or letterheads that might point to their lawyer. File cabinets, safes, and desk drawers are common places where people store important legal records. Step 2. Reach out to close family, friends, or business associates who might have known the deceased's lawyer. Ask if they recall any legal matters, such as contracts or lawsuits, that could provide clues. If an executor has been named for the estate, contact them first. They may already have the lawyer's information. Step 3. Visit the local courthouse where the deceased person lived. Look for family law, civil litigation, or criminal court records under their name. If they were involved in lawsuits, divorces, or arrests, the records will list their attorney of record. If you can't find anything locally, try the federal district courthouse for records like tax disputes or bankruptcy filings. Once you've found the lawyer's name, reach out using the contact information in the records. If the number is outdated, the State Bar Association can provide updated details. Step 4. Review legal documents that were in the deceased's possession. Look for notarized signatures on deeds, affidavits, or agreements. Notaries often work with law firms, so contacting the notary public might lead you to the lawyer. Check with the county assessor's office for additional notarized documents, or contact the Secretary of State's office to locate the notary public. Step 5. Find the deceased person's will. If you locate the will in the deceased's home or through the probate office, it will likely list the estate planning lawyer's name. This is often the quickest way to identify their lawyer. Step 6. Check with caregivers. If the deceased lived in a nursing home or care facility, ask the staff if they recall any visits from the person's lawyer. Estate planning documents are often finalized in such settings. You can avoid this confusion altogether by organizing your family's important information with Trustworthy. Trustworthy's digital storage platform keeps everything protected and accessible. Trustworthy members can upload legal documents to the family operating system and use secure collaboration tools to ensure trusted contacts can find what they need when they need it. Navigating a loved one's legal matters doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these steps and tools like Trustworthy, you can honor their wishes and find peace of mind.